The undisputed emperor of online adult entertainment, MindGeek is a master at gathering and using data to structure and produce content. The adult entertainment industry has always been a technology leader. It was an early adopter of distribution via home video and the VCR. Indeed, some claim that the porn industry's adoption of the VHS format was the deciding factor that vanquished its rival, Betamax, in the 1980s. The adult industry was also among the first to move from distribution on videotape to the DVD format, and then to online downloads and finally to streaming. So it is no surprise that the most creative use of the data that is produced by digital distribution comes from the porn world. The company that does this best is also the largest, and unless you are a pornography expert, you probably haven't heard of it. MindGeek is the parent company of Pornhub, YouPorn, Brazzers, Twisties, and many other sites. It claims to have over 115 million daily visitors to its sites, and its Alexa scores, Pornhub is number 27 globally. Just one step behind Netflix, and Pornhub is just one of MindGeek's many assets, suggests these figures are accurate. In the second digital disruption, we examine in detail MindGeek's use of viewing data. But first we explain how the porn industry changed with the advent of streaming, and how it stays alive despite enormous quantities of easily available free content. Intellectual property rights are predicated on the assumption that only with legal protection against cheap/free copies will creators invest in creation. So the first key question about the industry is, how, in a world of almost unlimited free porn, does the porn industry exist at all? As we write, the adult industry has adapted to this dramatic change by transforming how it makes money. And that allows it to continue to create new content. In the paper we detail the many adaptations, include camming, which is live, and often literally directed by fans, the move to merchandising, the rise of custom pornography, and the monetization of social media. In general, the key aspect is that content, once the core of the industry, has gone from product to advertisement. Content is what builds a brand that can be leveraged in other ways. MindGeek, as the world's biggest repository of free porn, is at the center of these changes. Because MindGeek is so big, it harvests massive amounts of data about what, and how, viewers watch. It makes money via advertisements and subscriptions, of course. But what is most interesting is how it uses data to shape the production of new porn. In the paper we detail this process of data-driven authorship, using a script MindGeek shared with us. MindGeek does what Netflix, Spotify, Amazon and others also do. It uses consumer data to recommend, to categorize, and to invest. But MindGeek goes one step further. It actually makes creative decisions based on the data.